Hello, Miss Sunita Williams. Welcome to our program.
Hello, nice meeting you.
Where did you work?
At NASA, flight engineer.
Where were you born?
Ohio.
What is your date of birth?
19th September 1965.
Where did you graduation from?
I did my graduation Florida Institute of Technology.
Which special items did you bring with you in the space first time?
The Bhagavad Gita, a small idol of Ganesha, and later written in Hindi by my father.
Who inspired you in your life and work?
Mahatma Gandhi.
What is your country of origin?
India, and fact my father Deepak Pandya is from Gujarat.